lovely gate provided. Video. Oh. Morning troops, welcome back to the channel. We're here at a different mark today, over in the Whithorn area. As you can probably tell from the weather, it's a bit poor, and the terrain that we're walking over is treacherous, so just got to be careful. The water looks clear enough for us today. We're just going to start fishing the flood and get our best shot, see what we can get out. At the minute we've got a westerly wind that's coming over the top of us, and to be fair it's just put a nice flat on the sea, so perfect conditions. Water's clear, we just need the fish to show up, so let's get into it. Right troops, that's first cast. Just put on a topwater lure to start off with. See if there's anything kicking about on the top. So this is new. Sorry, come on tops. Oh yes, we're in. There we go. Come on up you get. I think it's a bass. Is that recording? There it is. Loving the patch, mate. There you are, troops. Wee basil. Maybe a 4th or 5th cast. I think he's that big. Patch off the top. Let's try. He's just nosing into that. Come on, I can get you off. Right, let's get the pliers. That's them moving through, I think. Wayne's just had one to the right of me, so that'll be them kind of moving into position. Ready for the flood. The flood's just started, so that's you. There you go. 2nd or 3rd cast. Let's see, I'll measure them on the rod so I can kind of... Right, just to the bottom of that handle. Spot on, let's get them back and see if we can get a bigger one. Treacherous here, man. There you go. Go on, basil. Off ski. You get a wading stick. Right, troops, we've moved further along, 200 yards maybe. There's a few features here, so I'm just going to put the top water back on. I did change this off plastic, but now it's doing. So I'll move further along to the right and see how we got on. Chuck the top water. You can get closer to the water here, so you're not getting stuck in all the weed, which is a bit of a pain, but hey ho, we'll live with it. Let's get a blur over the top of this, and let's see if we can get another bar out. Something a bit better than, I think that, I don't know what that was. I'll measure it on the stick later on. I have to take the measurement on my rod. Tide's ripping through here now, so technically there should be no reason why there's no bass sitting waiting for the bait fish to come right from right to left. So let's see if there's another fish kicking about somewhere. I would imagine there would be, but you just never know. The seal was bugging me along to the left hand side anyway. He was literally just sitting 2 metres off this edge bit. I don't know whether he's waiting for something to come out of that hole that he knows is in there, or you know what I mean. Let's get another cast it that way. New rod day as well. This is the, I think I've picked the wrong rod for this area, but I was more just eager to try it out. This is the Namibia 9.6. Bought it because obviously when I went down to Wales I really liked a longer rod and I got rid of my Century, but I've went and bought this one now, so to be fair it's lovely so far, casts really well. I should have brought the shorter rod for in this kind of ground, but it is what it is. I've christened it. Oh, there's a bass on that already. Oh, you dirty bastard. Fuck. He's not hard. Oh, come on, hit the fucking... There we go. 3 tips, 3 chucks, and he's in. Don't transfer him. Oh, he's decent, I think. Oh, he's no bad. This is where you fall and break your new rod. Oh, he's alright, I think. Stuck in the weed there. And there you go, lads. That's what happens. Fall on your arse. No fish is worth it. Hurting yourself, but this one. Get in there, come on. There you go. Another one in. Get up. Anyway, I killed myself getting in there. I reckon I've dashed my other GoPro maybe. Oh well, that's what it is. He's a bit better. Right. Right, 50 centimetre bass. Going back. So going back to live another day. Go on, son, you ready? I'll just go. Gone. Absolute superb. Get up. Right, well that's a 50 just gone back. This is the next cast after it's gone back, so let's see if there's any more. I was confident moving to the right. There was fish here, but the seals along there, like 2 of the seals sitting right tight in, so they'll not move much. No seals here now. There was a fat one here earlier which stopped me coming. Big massive thing just sitting on the hide. So that last fish, did you see it? 3 chops at that lure and just, it hit it first, which is the kill shot I think. And then he's decided that he's hit it and it's done, it's like spent. And then he's come and taken it for his tea, but obviously it's a big lump of plastic. Spot on, that was just right between that little pot spot here, so he must just have been sitting and waiting in ambush like I say when the tide's coming through. Because the tide's moving from left to right now. Sorry, left to right. So the tide's moving from right to left. And he's just sitting in amongst this weed waiting for bait fish just to pop along and buy it. So I would imagine if there's one, there might be more than one. But it's a wee bit, I could do with the water just to get up a wee bit. Some of the wee weedy bits are annoying. He was just in there before, where that lure is now. Come out of there, didn't he? Boop. Lovely. So aye, the Ninja, it's quite a decent rod. Obviously, like I say, I'd have preferred a shorter rod, but for this mark, I should have known that. That's just, I think it's just over eager to try the new gear, you know what I mean? Casts really well, long rod, so yeah. Wind's behind us as well, so that's a good thing. So come on, let's see. I'll do a wee talk about the rod another time. There's the patch there at the front there, so let's see if there's a fish at the other side of that wee gully. You just have to be careful here with the flooding water in. Bit of a nightmare. Coming in behind you, it's quite fast flowing. Going to try off that wee point next, and then I'll move along to the right. There's a wee pool there, looks quite tasty. The topwater fishing's taken off. To be fair, I like the topwater fishing, it's probably the most satisfying one. Saying that, the soft plastics are good fun too when the fish come out of nowhere and hit from underneath, but again, you can't get a topwater strike. Unbelievable. And the thing is, they're so petty. Some of them just absolutely smash it, and some will just tentatively, like that one, just take it gently, hit it first time, and then they'll just swallow it in. Really strange, but some of them just mash them. Well, most of them. The only thing with this mark is a bloody pain because the weed is that thick. But that's where the bass holes are, so there you are. Right, moving on to the next wee spot. Pick it out a wee bit better. Let's see if we can get a bit closer. That's it, there. We're overcast here. So let's just put it that way. I'm waiting for that to get covered. I think the drop, I'm at the back of that. Here's the gannets coming in, look. Then we're going to dive. Stay away from that patch. Coming in for a wee look to see if there's any bait fish about. They must cover some miles, those things. Try to cast a bit. Jesus. Right then troops, that's us done in this area. That wasn't too bad, a couple of fish out, but 2 fish there. Best was a 50 centimetre. Again on the top water. Let me get that gate. On the top waters, patch, white patch, doing the damage. So, aye, right troops, get up.